Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 18th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar did continue to drift down. I am definitely still looking at this move down right here as possibly a correction to the last wave up. If it does decide to break structure to the downside, which is right here for me, then I definitely will start looking for sells. I don't personally trade below the 1 hour time frame really anyways, so I am definitely still waiting patiently to see if it does make a Fibonacci bounce. If it does make a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice big engulfing move to the upside, I definitely will take it as a long entry for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it goes down and breaks structure, then that definitely will turn me into a seller. At the end of all rallies, I will be looking to sell for the continuation of a bigger move to the downside possible. But no break of structure tells me that we still need to primarily be looking for longs in a uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.